Let's look at this set. 12 employees were nominated for the quarterly business rewards. 3 of them for each of the 4 departments: trade marketing, finance, product marketing, and consumer sales. The QBR were divided into 2 categories: star and superstar. The star and superstar categories had 5 and 7 members respectively. Abhinav, Danish, and Lakhan were from product marketing. Biplav, Imran, and Keshav were from consumer sales. Chandan, Gaurav, and Jayanta were from finance. Iti, Firoz, and Harvinder were from trade marketing. So, in terms of information, I'm going ahead and creating. I have one group called trade marketing, another group called finance, another group called product marketing, and finally consumer sales. And there were 2 categories: star and superstar. The wonderful thing is, we know in star there were five members and 7 members in superstar, and for each of these groups we know 3 members each. Why I'm writing 3 at the top corner is because I also know the names of the people. So I'm going ahead and filling up the names. Abhinav, Danish, and Lakhan were from product marketing. So Abhinav, or let me check, ADLBIKCGJEFH. So everything is different, so I can write this way: Abhinav, Danish, and Lakhan. We have it this way. And Biplav, Imran, and Keshav. Biplav, Imran, and Keshav were from consumer sales. Chandan, Gaurav, Jayanta from finance. Chandan, Gaurav, Jayanta are from finance. Iti, Firoz, and Harvinder. Iti, Firoz, and Harvinder were from trade marketing. So we have our numbers, we have everything. Next is each category had at least one employee from each of the 4 given departments. Okay, which means for star, in each of these 8 cells, every cell is supposed to have at least one. So for star, I know one of these cells will be 2, the remaining cells will be 1. Next, we're told 2 employees for consumer sales were nominated in the star category. So we have 2 here. If we have 2 here, we will have 1 here. Additionally, because of the star grouping, this will be 1, 1, and 1. And because every department is supposed to have 3, it will be 2, 2, and 2. This is uniquely identified. So first 2 points are already taken care of. Next, Abhinav and Gaurav were nominated in different categories. Abhinav is here, Gaurav is here. They are nominated in different categories. Okay, we'll worry about it later. Keshav and Imran were nominated in the same category. Keshav and Imran, if they're nominated in the same category and they belong to consumer sales, the only way it can happen is they were nominated in the star category. So Keshav is here, Imran is here. This is guaranteed. So Biplav is also here. This is also guaranteed. Okay. Well, Chandan and Harvinder were nominated in different categories. Chandan is here, Harvinder is here. Again, we can potentially have Chandan in star and Harvinder in superstar, or the other way around, Harvinder in star and Chandan in superstar. We can't be certain. We'll worry about it later. Next. If EP was nominated in the star category, both Jayanta and Gaurav were nominated in the superstar category. Okay. Again, because there's an if, we can't be certain, we can't record. Next line, if EP was nominated in the superstar category, then Lakhan and Danish are nominated in different categories. And at this time, it should trigger, oh, we have 2 possibilities from EP being placed in star category or superstar category, which would mean I cannot possibly work only with this case. I will have to create an alternate case as well. I will have to create an alternate table as well. In one case, I will go ahead and place EP in the star category. In the other case, I will go ahead and place EP in the superstar category and then see how it works out. I'm trying to match the table at the top, although I haven't done a very good job of it. I'm trying to match the table on the top so that I don't have to write these names again. Star, superstar, PM, Fin, PM, CS, 5, 7, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. And pay attention, the fact that Keshav and Imran are here and Biplav is here, this is guaranteed. This we know beforehand. Keshav, Imran, and Biplav, this is known. Consumer sales department is known. Now I'm working with if EP was nominated in the star category. So I'll start off with if EP is here, Firoz and Harvinder will be here. Now about Harvinder, we had a line. Chandan and Harvinder were nominated in different categories. If Harvinder is in superstar, Chandan has to be in star. So the other two, Gaurav and Jayanta, have to be in the same category. Now, Abhinav and Gaurav were nominated in different categories. Given that Gaurav is a superstar, Abhinav has to be a star, and Danish and Lakhan would be in the superstar category. So we have pretty much identified everything. The starting point was EP was nominated in star category. EP was nominated in star category. Everything else flows smoothly. Okay. Alternately, let's look at the other case. If EP was in the superstar category. If EP is in the superstar category, then Lakhan and Danish were nominated in different categories. Then Lakhan and Danish are in product management. So either this is Lakhan or Danish. This is Danish or Lakhan. But we can be certain Abhinav is definitely in the superstar category. About Abhinav, we had a statement. Abhinav and Gaurav are in different categories. So Abhinav and Gaurav are in different categories. So because Abhinav is here, Gaurav has to be here in the star category. Abhinav and Gaurav are nominated in different categories. Now, because Gaurav is here, we also know Chandan and Jayanta. Chandan and Jayanta have to be here. These are the two people, I guess. Chandan and Jayanta. C and J have to be here. This is uniquely identified. Additionally, because we know that Chandan and Harvinder were nominated in different categories and Chandan is in superstar category. So Harvinder has to be here, which would mean Firoz has to be here. So even in the second case, when EP is in the superstar category, we have categorization or grouping for everyone. The only people we are unsure of are Lakhan and Danish. Lakhan and Danish, which grouping, whether they are in star or superstar. But this is the entirety of the case. Let's get to individual questions. For how many employees, it can be uniquely determined which category they belong to. Look at trade marketing. For Firoz, you can be certain, regardless of what case you take, Firoz is definitely always in the superstar category. Chandan is changing category. Gaurav is changing category. But for Jayanta, you can be certain, regardless of what case you take, Jayanta is always in superstar category. Abhinav is changing. Lakhan and between Lakhan and Danish, one of them remains in superstar category, but which one remains, we don't know. And therefore, we can't be certain which grouping they land in. But for the three employees in the consumer sales, we are absolutely certain. These people, we know whether they are shortlisted in the star category or the superstar category. So three from here, two from here, altogether there will be 5 people for which the category that they are nominated for can be uniquely identified. Okay, next. Which of the following statements is sufficient to determine the exact category in which Chandan was nominated? Sufficient to determine exact category in which Chandan was nominated. Okay. Lakhan was nominated in the superstar category. Lakhan here was nominated in superstar category. Chandan was in star grouping. Lakhan here could be nominated in superstar category and Chandan could be in superstar grouping. So this is not sufficient for us to know where Chandan got nominated at eventually. Okay, next. Jayanta was nominated in the superstar category. Jayanta is nominated in both the cases in superstar category and Chandan here is in star, here is in superstar. So this is not sufficient. Gaurav was nominated in the superstar category. If Gaurav is nominated in the superstar category, see the second case is ruled out entirely. If Gaurav is nominated in the superstar category, you can be rest assured that Chandan is necessarily nominated in the star category. And therefore, C has to be the answer. Okay. Question 7. If Danish and Lakhan were nominated in the same category, if Danish and Lakhan are nominated in the same category, we are only talking of the top case. Danish and Lakhan being together is only possible here. Which of the following statements is correct? EP and Abhinav were nominated in different groups. No, Eti and Abhinav are being nominated in the same group. This is wrong. Biplav and Eti were nominated in the same category. Biplav is in Superstar, Eti is in Star. This is also wrong. Firoz and Harvinder were nominated in the same category. Firoz and Harvinder, yes, indeed, they are being nominated in the same category. So see, Gaurav and Jayanta were nominated in different categories. No, Gaurav and Jayanta are in the same category. So this is also ruled out. Finally, if Gaurav and Danish were nominated in the same category, Gaurav and Danish were nominated in the same category. So you could have a case where Gaurav is here, Danish is here. And you could have a case where Gaurav is here, Danish is here. So I'm going ahead and removing this. Why I'm also doing this is because this is the last question. Because this is the last question, we can work. Okay. If Gaurav and Danish were nominated in the same category, then exact nominated category for how many employees can be uniquely determined. Remember, even before Gaurav and Danish being in the exact same category was known, we already had 5 people for whom the exact category was known. The only change that has happened is, now look at Abhinav, still changing. Lakhan, you can be absolutely certain. Lakhan, you can be absolutely certain he's always in the superstar category. So one additional person, one new person has come into the fold, Lakhan. So for how many people can you be certain which category they are nominated in? For 6 people. And that will be the entirety of this set.